Nice to see you again. I'm the host, Hannah. Happy New Year to all of you. Hope you will get a great start in 2021. And also hope we can keep long-term cooperation relationship with you. If you have any suggestions for us, you can contact us. And I will try our best to do it. We will have a live show every Wednesday, so you can follow us and get a recommendation from the system. The product I want to show today is the top sale item. The item number we call is 10G. So this is the machine I will introduce today. First, I want to introduce the color of this machine. The color is black, and we also have other color. It's white. I can show you pictures for the white color. You can see this is white color, and this is white color too, with green small panel and green pickup door. This is black color. Black color with very small panel. This machine with the snake cabinet. Both cabinets should pay in the middle. So this is main cabinet and for its snake cabinet. So this machine will have a bigger capacity than this one. If you have this request, you can also tell us and we can add it for you. Normally, this side we will make it with refrigeration system, and this side we will without refrigeration system. So we can sell refrigerated drinks in this side and some snacks in this side. And here you can see this is white color and also with a 10-inch touch screen. So you can also add it. If added this 10-inch Android screen, maybe is much more flexible to integrate to some different e-wallet pay, and also some other cashless pay or some mobile online payment. You can also make some sticker on the machine body to decorate the machine. You can see this looks very beautiful. And you can also print some advertising on your sticker to do some advertisement to advertise your product. Okay, let's see the machine. You can see this is a very big glass door with heating function inside. So there will no fog on the surface. So we can see the products inside very clearly. And also you can see there are two LED light bar on the both sides of the glass. So we can see the products inside very bright. And the glass is tempered glass, so with is very strong. If it is broken, it will not hurt your head. Let's see this side. This is the pickup door of this machine. You can push to get products inside. This is a gray color. We also have other colors such as green, orange, black. And here you can see the foot of this machine. We use flexible wheels of the foot. We also have some other foot such as a flexible screw. I think I can just now I show you the picture here. You can see this foot is our standard foot, and also this type of foot is screw. So we have different types. You should tell us the request before you make order, so we will produce the requested machine from your side. Okay, let's see this part. This is the speaker of this machine, and here there is a place you can print your logo. This is our logo. We will print our logo by standard. If you have your own Logo you can also tell us, and we may customize for you. Here you can see the 5-inch screen. This screen can show the online status, temperature, and the machine ID, and product price, product name, and the capacity, and so on. Later, I will show you more about this screen and our system. Here you can see the metal keypad with multiple bit, pickup code, back, enter, cancel, and some numbers here. Here is the bill acceptor. The bill acceptor can adapt to different types of currency, so such as US dollar and Singapore dollar and the euro and the pounds and so on. You just tell us your country, then we can check for you whether the payment system supports your country or not. Here you can also install a card reader, and if you don't want to install card reader or some QR code scanner or some IC card, you can also install here. Here you can install the bill acceptor, and here for the bill change. This is the lock of our machine. Later I will show you how to open our machine. If you install a coin acceptor, then you can get the coin return from this part. Okay, I think I forgot to introduce the size of this machine. The height of this machine is around 2 meters. The depth is around 800 centimeters. The width of this machine is around 1.1 meters. Okay, let's get the key. Normally, when you get the machine, you can find the key with the plug.钥匙呢？啊，钥匙呢？ Okay, let's get the key and you insert it. Then the key will pop up. Then you turn the door in a anti-clock direction. Then the machine door will open. Okay, let's see. Here you can see an antenna inside. You can put the antenna outside the machine or on the top side of the machine to get a stronger signal. Because our machine need to insert a thin card, so you can get signal from the SIM card, and we will send all the sales data to the cloud system through the internet. On the back side, this is our motherboard, and here you can see a bill acceptor, a coin acceptor. Here for this part, you can put some products inside. It's a small inventory place for you. We normally put our manual on this part and some other free spare parts. Here you can see, let's introduce the tray of this machine. We have different types of the tray. This tray, we call it hook tray, and this spiral cone tray. We also have another type we call it conveyor belt tray. I can show you a picture what the conveyor belt looks like. This type is conveyor belt tray. Okay, let's introduce the hook tray. You can see the products, the hook on the tray. You can sell some small gift or some small products or unregular packaged products. This is the spiral cone trays. It's single spiral. We have 10 slots 10 slots in one tray. If your product is bigger, such as this, you can mix less slots in one tray. You can also combine 2 spiral cones to one slot. So you can put a bigger product, such as this product. Actually, you can put like this, and we remove the separator and combine 2 spiral cones. Then it can sell some bigger products. This is the we call it metal bar. This metal bar can make the products drop straight. It will not stuck here, because if your products not drop like this, maybe it will stuck. But if with this metal bar, then it will drop straight. So it's better or not stuck from the machine. Okay, you can see this. This is, we call it support bar, plastic support bar. You can see the product can put on the tray straight, not inclined. So maybe it looks better, more beautiful. And if the product size is not very suitable for your spiral cone, such as if this product is small and your spiral cone is bigger, then maybe it's not good to fit. So you can put this support bar. Maybe it's better to not stuck on the tray. On the both sides of the machine body, there are many holes. This holes is to you can adjust to put the tray a little bit high or a little bit low to adjust the height. So it's very flexible. And at the bottom of the machine, this is our refrigeration system. We use imported Embraco cooling system. So the insulation of our machine is very good. And now I can show you how to change our spiral cone. We have different spiral cone, so it can fit different types of products, such as these two. This one can sell some small size product. This one usually we sell some strips. This one can put five products inside. This one can put 11 products inside. Now I show you how to change your spiral cone. Okay. All the spiral cones can be changed by yourself to fit different types of the products. Like this one, we just turn the spiral cone. So I take off the spiral cone and change another one. This one. Change this smaller one. Okay, I finished changing the spiral cones, and you can also pull the spiral cones to change the direction. Like this, to fit the product. Now for this product, we can put it in these spiral cones. Okay, let's put it back. Also, you can see the separator of our machine. We have different separator too. This is the white color, and this is transparent color. So we have different types. You can tell us your request, and we can do it by according to your request. This one, if you don't need, you can also remove it. Okay, ladies. And show you how this machine works. You can turn the lock in the clock direction to lock the machine. Let's test 33 slot. I set the price 33 is 0, so I just need to enter the item number. It will drop automatically. So let's try 33 and enter. Okay. Okay, successfully. Let's do a purchase for the hawk tray. Choose number 3. Number 3. Okay. We can get the products. We can push and get the products. When you push the panel, the panel inside will prevent your hand to touch the tray inside. So it's anti-safety instructor. And now let's change price to 5, and I do a purchase with cash for you. So we can go to the setting interface first. If we open the door, the system will go to the setting interface automatically. So then you want to input your password. After you input the password, then this is our setting interface. There are many settings, such as let's see the set price. Here is set price, so I press enter and select a slot number such as 23 to 25 to 25. Let's set the price 5. Okay. Then I set 26 and 27. The price I set 1. Enter 26 to 27. The price I set 1. Okay, let's enter. So set successfully. Let's get the machine inside and get the cash. Because I put the cash inside the machine. Okay, let's select 24. Okay, now show the price 5. I need to insert the cash first. This is the money for Malaysia. Okay, 25 dropped. Let's get the product. Okay, successful. Okay, let's select another slot number 26. 26. The price show 1. So let's get. Do you have another? Let's insert this money. Okay. Let's show. Okay, done. Okay, so it's very flexible because the price can be changed, and all the information you can set here, such as I show you another function how to turn on and turn off the LED light. So first you want to open the door and insert the password. Okay, now you can find the temperature setting here and find the setting for LED lights on and off. So then press enter and you can disable then the LED light is off now. Okay, let's turn on the LED light. You can select enable. Okay, LED light is on. You can also change the temperature here. Set target temperature. Okay, let's enter. Now by default, the temperature inside is 8. You can set to such as 6 degrees. Okay, the refrigeration system is working and the temperature inside will change to 6 later. Okay, you can also do some other settings such as here. You can turn off the bill acceptor and turn off the cashless device, and you can also here check the machine system version. Such here, you can also see the machine ID. Okay, let's back. Every machine only have one machine ID. This ID is unique. You can, after you get the machine, you can send this machine ID to your sales manager or after sales. Then we can add it to our cloud system. So the machine will send all the sales data and the inventory to our cloud system through the internet. So you can check your sales data online. And you can also open a remote function, such as you can change the price and capacity, inventory from the cloud system. So it's very, I think it is called high technology vending machine. You can also, you know, we have WeChat in China. You can also follow the WeChat, our cloud system. I show you. Such as this one. This is our cloud system mobile app. You can follow, and if you have any questions about our cloud system, you can send the message here, and our after sales service people will reply you here. And you can also check the sales data through the mobile, through this WeChat app. About the tray, I want to show you another type. If your product is very small, we can also add this support bar on the side. So you can sell some very small product, such as this. So this one, this is a pen. We put a support bar. We put a support bar in the middle. So it's very flexible. Okay. Have any questions? You can also ask the questions online. Our sales manager will reply you and introduce more functions for you. So this machine is our top sales machine with the most the popular market of the, we sell normally is South Asia and also Europe and Middle East. This machine is very basic and stable, so it's very best to sell. And okay, I think let's see the tray. If you have more requests, if you want to add a tray, it's also okay. You can just tell us. We can add it to 7 or 9 trays. It's also also okay. So if you have any request, you can tell us. We can also customize for you, not only for the color, but some other factions. So just tell us, and we can do our best to give you a better service. So please follow us. We will give you a live show every Wednesday. So today, thank you for your watching. Any questions, you can contact us through the website. Okay, bye bye.